Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 20 of Off the Board, and this is my inspiration. I love the background on this layout, all the diamonds of the different colours. So I think that is what I'm going to try and recreate. I've already roughly worked out my embellishment clusters, so let me just move these aside and hopefully I can recreate them. I do have spare embellishments if I need them. These are the two photos I will be scrapping, and that is the wattle tree that's growing in our backyard, and that is a big bunch of wattle we took out and put at the cemetery on my parents' graves. And we planted the wattle because my dad absolutely loved wattle, so it was like a memorial tree that we planted. And it has taken off, and it absolutely is massive and gets so full of blossoms. Oh, it's awesome. I didn't think it would take so well, but it has. It's really taken off. So that is what I'm scrapping. Now I'm going to make the background, I'm hoping, using my just blocks, my stamping blocks, with ink like this to create the diamond patterns. We will see what happens. So I'm going to do, the idea is to do 4 colours. So I'm going to do the Daffodil Delight at the top, then the Pumpkin Pie, Granny Apple Green, and then Garden Green down the bottom. That is what I think I'm going to do. Well, that's what the idea is. Whether it works, I don't know. And looking at my blocks, I probably really should have cleaned them first. But anyway, oh gosh, stuck. All right, let's get this page started. Okay, there's my finished page. After I stamped with the acrylic block to create this pattern on the background, I then went over it with more ink I'd put on the acrylic blocks and water, and like water painted over the top, because I didn't like the real motley look of when I first stamped. And I think that has changed it just a little bit, and I really like it now. I didn't match them up on my blocks perfectly. There's a big gap here and a little bit down here, but it doesn't matter. It's all unique, and I've tried that technique, so it's something new that I hadn't done before, to create like a watercolor wash, I guess it is, type of background out of the diamonds. I think it worked quite well. It looks effective, but it needs refinement. Like with any new technique, it needs refinement, and we should never stop learning. So that's what I intend to do. Keep trying it. A bit like when I did that paint wipe technique, and someone commented and said that they had done it before and did it on a smaller scale, like used a old credit card, which I've got here. I've got an old credit card that I could use as well, so I might try that. That might work better as well. So, but with this one, yeah, and again, trial and error, you learn as you go, and I'm going to definitely try this again, slightly different. But yeah, I really, really liked it. It was lots of fun. And I think next time, which is a technique I used to do when I made cards a lot, and I've sort of forgotten all that I used to do. But what I used to do was do the same thing, put the acrylic block on the ink pad, but then spritz it with water and then smush it down. I think that would look a lot better. But that has just come into my mind, another way to do that. And I have forgotten all that sort of technique stuff that I used to do when I did cards for so long. Well, I need to revisit some of my old videos, I think, from way back when, and yeah, see all the techniques I used to do. But anyway, this turned out okay. It's nice and bright background. It's really cool. And I've tried to pin off Pinterest, and that's the whole aim of the exercise for this month, isn't it? Alright, so make sure you are checking out the playlist below for everyone else who is playing along this month with Off the Board with Pineapple Papers. Yeah, so if you like this layout, give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.